Hello, marijuana traders. Today is Tuesday, October 27th. It's Rod with Powell Group. Thanks again for joining us on the Pursuit of Wealth. And in today's video, we're going to discuss HEXO's upcoming earnings. So we just saw an article and a press release directly from HEXO Corp. A lot of people have been asking me when the earnings are going to be released. There's been multiple conflicting different information from TradingView and Earnings Whispers, yada, yada. But we just received official confirmation. You'll be happy to know that HEXO is going to release fourth quarter fiscal year 2020 financial results and host their investor webcast this week. So the earnings is going to come after market hours on Thursday, October 29th, 2020, as well as they will host the investor webcast beginning at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time on Friday, October 30th, 2020. So here is the webcast details. So after the bell on Thursday is earnings, so we can expect to see some volatility going into that, I am sure, and I will be tuning in for the investor webcast as I have quite a big position already established on HEXO. And just taking a look at the weekly chart, so going into the earnings report, we are right at the 10-week moving average, which is at 72 cents. We closed just below at 71. The stochastic is starting to trend down, but the MACD is still cross bullish. So let's see if we get some hype and some momentum going into tomorrow now that the date is known and it has become official. Obviously, their last report was very, very bullish. The market basically rolled over though, and we saw those gains quickly given up. But like I said, we've been just basically going lateral and the sideways movement for the last several weeks. So maybe this will be in several months. So maybe this will be the catalyst to propel us forward, but it could also drive us lower as well. And just make sure to position accordingly going into that and make sure that you have a game plan established. And taking a look on the daily, we have the 50-day moving average at 71 cents. We closed right at 71 on that 50-day moving average. So I'd like to see us bounce tomorrow, get up around the 100-day, around the 74 cent level, and start to trend up into the earnings report, because like I said, I am anticipating a lot of people to get in on HEXO prior to the earnings because of how good their last earnings report was. And I think because of how big of a hit their hash and their original stash brand has been, they also just released drinks, but we likely won't see any of that on this report because this was for the period ending in July 31st, and I don't believe any of their drinks were out then. So we probably won't see any of their edible numbers on this report, but that's probably a good thing because I know through experience and through research that the drinks have been a little slow to catch on, and that's particularly because it's a new product. A lot of people don't know about it yet. They don't have the traditional forms of advertising like alcohol companies do. That'll all come in time, I do believe. But just keep in mind that we probably won't see edibles on this translated through this earnings report, and that'll be on the next earnings report. So hope you guys found this information valuable. I know there was a lot of people questioning me and just absolute curious, if a lot of people online just curious and kind of frustrated, for lack of a better word, because they just didn't know when, a lot of different conflicting information about the earnings. So there you have it. The official date is Thursday, October 29th, and we shall see you guys tomorrow for another daily market recap. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. You've been notified on any future updates. Have yourself a great night, everyone, and take care.